We are back in the mother freaking building. This is Lady M.
And
Go ahead.
this is Shane B. Before we continue, I just want to shout out,
shout him out.
somebody in the chat room. His name is Dojo Sounds. Shout out to you for being so awesome.
You're
in the chat
amazing.
room.
You're very amazing. You get a golden star and a cookie.
She's crazy.
Oh.
Yes. So, we're back in the building. We were talking about Cold World series. Web series. And we have Brownie.
Hello.
You want to tell us who you are, Brownie, and the role that you play with this web series?
Yes.
How you doing, everybody? This is Brownie. I'm the creator, writer. I am the producer. I am the actress. And Cold World.
She just run the shit, Well, she has people that help her do it.
She has people that help
You
her
can't
do
do anything without a team.
That's right. A pretty dope team, I might add.
But her character crazy as bat
Well,
shit.
can we just...
I'm sorry, she's crazy.
So,
She need to tone down. Sorry.
I need to tone down. I need to turn up.
You should have shot Kai, but I ain't going to talk
I
about
should
that.
have.
Yeah.
I thought so too, but
Cop pussy. Like,
I be
that nigga-
putting too much pressure on Shawn. He be all mad and shit.
Well, let's just tell us about the web series, how it
Yes,
came
and
about,
get it, yeah.
so that the viewers can know what we're talking about.
Yeah, Cold World web series. Oh, goodness. So this was the original thought that I had going on in my head. I shared an idea with someone. They kind of took something and ran with it, but then I snatched it back and perfected it. And moving on from here. So it was, the original concept of it was based on music. But throughout the series, people have left, and, shout out to everyone that has left. But we just...
Oh, here.
We freestyled
We
it
here.
and redirected it. Yeah, remixed
and revamped it.
And that's
made
what
it powerful.
every week they have me writing and rewriting.
I mean, anything that is going to be great has their, stumbles in the beginning.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you have to have that. And you have to have a good VH1 story.
Excuse me.
I know one thing. All
Class
right?
is in session, so simmer down.
They out of control over there, bro. How you get them together?
That's why you gave him alcohol, man.
It's Kai. It's Kai over here. It's him. He the ringleader.
Calling that bullshit.
Now he want to have on a nerd sweater and a
Right.
plaid shirt.
You
wanna
are
keep
appropriate.
He want to play all that, but he hating because his man's in love. Like,
So basically, tell us.
what?
That's kind of gay, Kai.
That's gay because you want to fuck every bitch that's passing and moving.
Oh.
You know what? That's why your dick gonna fall
Well,
off.
basically,
Oh!
tell us a little. Give us a short synopsis on what it's about, so we can bring the viewers up.
So we can give them.
Yeah. Cold World is based on love, loyalty, lust, inspiration. So it was originally created about a couple of guys, growing up in the hood. You have either drug dealers, basketball players,
Right, just different
shit.
denominations of
Yeah,
people.
basically. And everyone has their own walk of life, but the common bond is music, and that's what brings them back together.
Right.
So that's how the story formed. And then, you have Kim that jumped in, and I really wasn't supposed to play in it, but my previous supporters from another series that I did was just like, nah, we're not having that. You got to be in it. So then that's how Kimberly came about.
So how much of Kimberly is actually you?
Because that bitch is.
Because most actresses and actors, they have to prepare for a role, but usually they have some of the role in them, like something reflects. Is she your exact opposite, or?
She's not the exact opposite. Kimberly is probably, what percentage? About 60.
Damn.
Really? So you just be pulling guns out on niggas in the street?
I turn up. Don't get it twisted. I turn up.
We went Brownie. She had the
just for
Julio
anybody that's
Papa.
watching, especially if them boys are watching now. That part in the studio, yeah, I don't do stuff like that. That was acting.
Yeah, that was acting.
Well, we know that was acting, but I'm just saying
Yeah.
it's just a problem that Kim
absolutely.
need a chill pill because she got some issues.
Why?
So
No, hold on, here go Kim.
No,
Why?
Because the insecurity,
but
because some
I can
chick
tell
was
you about
talking
the
and singing.
insecurity because most women have that coming out of a relationship where you held a person down.
But he was just singing in the studio, singing a song. She want to flip
but she
off and
don't
want to.
know that. But see,
They was holding hands.
When was they holding hands?
They was holding hands. You didn't see that when I came in with the food?
He was doing the circle in the middle of the finger. That means I want to fuck. That's what Shawn was doing. But what I'm gonna say is that she went through a relationship where she was cheated on, and then she got right back in another one. Common problem that women have, though.
Yes, very common when you know, typical shit that happens when you hold somebody down that's in jail, you come home.
That's why the judge broke us up. I don't play that shit.
But what we gonna do for our, viewers, we want you to see the trailer of Cold World series. I need you guys to see this trailer because this is an amazing web series. So we're about to cue in the trailer, and I'm gonna tell you, please log on, follow. It's amazing. The trailer's about to come on.
Yes.
The Big Apple, you know we rotten to the core. New York City soldier, these streets is like war. We hustle for $1, my dime was never poor. New York, the Big Apple, but we rotten to the core. The Big Apple, you know we rotten to the core. New York City soldier, these streets is like war. We hustle for $1, my dime was never poor. New York, the Big Apple, but we rotten to the core. Yo, I was born in the city of Queens, city of dreams, team supreme, the John Gotti regime. Building lobbies, we scheme on coke fiends, cream, rotten apple, the gritty city. I thug pretty, so fuck with me. Buck 50s, crooked cops and crack babies. Talk shit to get rich, we pitch bricks. Push toys like Christmas, so peak game. I've seen things from street kings, reach dreams. 50 shots in parking lots, I've seen dudes get demolished from pulling wallets on guess who. Get rich or die trying to die lying in a puddle of blood. That's the rotten apple love, we thug by choice. Because our people lack voice, respect my square. But politicians don't care, we here, never speak. Yeah, we never weak, you fear me in these streets. This rotten apple is deep.
Hope you guys like the trailer. Like, it's an amazing web series.
And make sure you guys subscribe. Go to Cold World web series right on YouTube. You're already on YouTube, so once you finish watching this, just transfer over, subscribe. You can binge watch, have fun, and get familiar.
It's only 7. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's the first season. It's 7 episodes. Just watch it. Okay? It's really good. Also, we want to shout out to DJ Mike Styles that said, "What's up, Brownie?"
Huh? Oh, what? Hey! DJ Mike Styles. He's a big supporter. I just had an interview with him, and somebody said it was 80% me, Gregg Smith. Come on, man.
So 80%, damn, Brownie, that's too much.
Well, you
because Kim is batshit crazy.
Damn, batshit?
Yes, because
she's disrespectful.
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah, she is, right?
I'm gonna be
you thought
honest.
You knew her, right?
No. I'm gonna be honest. Kim just takes shit to the level. It don't need to be.
Sometimes you gotta pull a gun out on a nigga. Point blank.
I get why you pulled the gun. No. I would pull the motherfucking gun out on. He's Kai, some fucked up ass nigga.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta show it.
I would.
That's
her
best friend.
She did it for her best friend.
So let's talk about
who we
Cash and
the
Shawn.
No, the Cash is the stalker.
I know.
I had a stalker.
Stalker. Because you want to.
I just want to know what percentage of a stalker are you? Because you kind of do it well.
Stalk level.
Yes, what's your stalk?
Because you kind of do it well.
Because you know what?
In real life?
Yeah, real life. Like, you play that role. How much of you is really a stalker?
Now, the funny part is, I don't stalk in real life. I get stalked.
Well, I'm gonna.
But
why? Because you got the baby hair all around your head,
you
right?
Know what?
Yeah, Mr. Sexy.
But see, here's the problem with you men. Y'all can dish it out, but y'all can't take it. So you go do you. She done moved the fuck on, and now you want to go stalk her down. But how you can't be with that nigga?
Nah,
you cheated first.
I ain't get a fair chance to explain. I ain't get.
Explain. You ain't explain.
Wow,
the bitch,
Shawn.
You was right there with the bitch. What you mean? You was supposed to be there with the bitch. She on top of you about to rob
I can tell you why the character Shawn is with Kim, because he crazy too. But you know.
Oh, hold on. Wait. We have a caller. We
Hey,
we have
Skype.
yeah, we have a caller. Calling in.
Hey, caller.
Hey, caller.
Good luck.
Wait, we didn't hear you. What you
Hey,
say?
we didn't hear you. What did you say?
What did you say?
This is Detective Chrissy. Hi, guys.
Hi. Detective. We don't deal with the police.
Callers.
We don't deal with the police. Get her out of
We
here.
don't deal with po-pos. We let the po-pos go. We don't deal with them.
We don't deal with them.
Well, this the popo that ain't going nowhere, so you got to deal with me, boo-boo.
That's crazy. That's how you
I
guys
called
get a
in to
case.
support my cats and to support the radio station and just to show some love.
Thank you. We
Thank you.
appreciate
We
it.
appreciate everything.
Yeah, you saw her getting loose
Nope.
in the last episode, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
saw-
getting
yeah,
crazy.
she Getting crazy and loose.
Getting
You
crazy
could-
because you got that.
You could pay her a couple of dollars. She ain't gonna snitch. She one
It's
of them
just great acting, guys. That's all. We're a
You
great
guys are doing
cast.
an
It's
awesome
family.
job,
It's
yeah.
fun. You know, we do our
Yes.
best, but it's just great acting.
I'm so glad to hear.
Well,
you.
thank
Right,
you for.
Ka? I mean, Ra?
Oh, he can't
Ron?
even hear. He not on there.
He not
He
on
not
here
on
right
there.
now.
He's not there.
We keeping Kai out of
Okay.
here.
Yeah, we keeping
He not
that
welcome
pussy,
over
we
here.
keeping that pussy ass nigga out of here. He over there.
Oh,
He
damn.
over there.
Damn.
That's right.
She
I'm
throwing
good.
bullets.
That's right.
Shots.
Yes, shots
Yeah.
fired.
I think it's the sweater, Kai.
Where
wanna
my
come up
ladies
here-
at?
he wanna come up here all prim and proper.
Where's Kaydence?
They're gonna come on in a second. You gotta.
They're gonna come
Okay.
in seconds, but we about to,
We'll have them on because we're about to kick cash out. 'Cause
we about to kick
All
this
right, well, you
stupid.
guys have
Talk
fun. Just
about
wanted
here.
to show some love.
All right, we gotta let the
Hey,
stalker
LQ.
Thank you for calling.
Well, thank you for
Hey,
calling.
Frederick. You're welcome. Have a
Thank
good
you.
night.
You too.
That's the
Bye.
that's Kim Hubby. Go ahead, come now, stalker. Go ahead, explain yourself, stalker. Go ahead, because you want to sit up here and sling your dick everywhere. So she did her. So
Hold on.
yes, stalker.
Oh,
How you even say that over a phone call though?
You been fucking that bitch. Let's
And
keep it
somebody,
real.
you know, it's only money 3 a.m. in the morning.
Yes. Let me
Well,
tell you
bitches.
something.
So, you
bitches
know.
calling you at like 3 something in the morning.
But
telling you
Dad,
let's
can
fuck.
you even? You
Wait,
didn't
wait,
let
wait.
him explain.
I'm
I
saying
was like,
though,
get out.
that was just
Nah,
some bread though. I just came home.
Fucked up. Like,
Thank
Your
you.
broke ass ain't had no bread.
I was going to get some bread. I was trying to get some
You should have
bread.
fucked him up with
Yo,
the
I
phone.
was trying. Listen, I was trying to
She
get
about
some of
fuck
the
you.
phone
Yeah,
runs.
she on top of you on the phone run. But before she even came in there, you was speaking to the bitch. Before
Nah.
You did.
you did. Before she
Yo,
came in there,
that's
you was
crazy.
trying to play
He
the fuck
he
off.
told a real life lie just now. Like,
Yes, we caught you
Wow.
some like that. You trying to play the fuck off.
I'm gonna say cash got to be about 96%.
Wow.
96%.
Wow.
Cash got to be because you just lied like a rug,
Yes.
my man.
Talk about something. What you talking about? I was making money. Mind you, you was talking about the bitch trying to
Well,
slick. And then
let's
when
get
your-
back to
Trying to hold
Shawn.
something.
Go ahead, Shawn. The hubby.
This character LQ.
LQ, but we gotta bring the little.
Why you wasn't sweating her when y'all was on the ball court? Why
Yeah,
she had
'cause
to
she
get
liked
older,
you, yeah, 'cause
get
she
the
liked you
fatty?
first.
then
She
you-
liked
Right
you
there,
first.
get him, girl.
Yeah,
She
bruh.
liked you
Yeah,
first. But she said you
Yeah,
was
If you
bruh.
not with me in
Just
the
wanted to play
gym,
basketball, bruh.
Yes.
if you not,
You know what I'm saying? But I met her years later on the same.
nah, if you not with me in the gym, son, like it's flat chested,
And
flat
then-
back, you wait
and-
until she got a fatty.
Yeah.
I
And
don't
then
know.
she
I don't
said
know
it
how
to
real
you.
this is.
She said it. She was like, "You look better."
Yeah, you did. You
She
did
said
look
you
better
look
when you
better.
got older.
I had to snatch you up. That's what I had to do. Hey,
Next
yo,
time-
Salute to the rest of the cast that's not here right now. That's
Yeah, shout out to them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
all of y'all.
Yes, support.
Love, love.
LQ the King, that's Shawn though. What's up?
Wow.
Yeah.
He was quiet the whole time. Now he just
Yes.
let the cat
Yeah,
out the
no,
bag. I told you he was
He
crazy.
was like, "I'm the king." Salute.
Yeah, basically you're an artist also though, LQ, right? Am I correct? You're pretty dope though, cause your rhyme that you spit at the showcase on there, I was like, that shit is awesome. That's an awesome song.
Who's mic?
Yes, sir.
Somebody
Dope.
said a mic is not on.
Whose mic isn't on?
They're talking to a mic that's not even on.
Oh,
Oh, you keep you.
You don't know how to rock the mic?
Yeah, you know the side nigga Mike. You know the side.
Oh, that's me? Oh, that's some bullshit.
oh, that's LQ over there.
There we go.
Oh well, now I hear him though.
This
I
one
do
turning
hear him.
right.
Okay.
We live LQ the King, a.k.a. Shawn. We live, y'all. World Web Series. What's up?
Yo, Brownie is ready. We gotta have her over here all the time because she's back everything.
You know, this is I came from radio. This, you know.
I'm like, just talk to Brownie about it. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So, one of my favorite characters on the show was LQ Shawn. I'm gonna be honest. And the reason why, because you move in silence with your shit.
Absolutely.
Right? You keep fuck boys
Wait,
like Kyle off your back.
Who is this person right here? In the middle, look like she has a dirty... All right. That's your supporters.
Don't worry about that because
we don't worry about them.
The reason why you get people that do that online, and we have a big following, so they don't have nothing to do. So let's shout you out, Brown Bag, for being absolutely awesome in the chat room. Keep your comedy up. But anyway.
Ain't that the smartest way to move? Ain't that the best way to move? You know what I'm saying?
Silent. Keeping people off your back. That's why I respect your shit. But that blood on your sneakers, you slipping.
Definitely.
Yeah.
The God called me out on that too.
God, is that what you want to call God? Maybe I call that guy over there with the R in his shirt God. But I don't know about that character.
He called me out something serious a few episodes ago.
Yeah, he definitely did. Yeah. He did. But here's the thing. Yes. How is your friendship? Is that really your man? Do you trust him?
With Kai? Wow, that's like, since a few episodes ago, that done took a turn for the worse.
I could definitely see.
You know what I'm saying?
So you think it has to do with his relationship with Kim?
Really? It has to do with Kim and how Kim came into the scenario and, also with the other character that he was dealing with. And now, she has herself intertwined in that situation. Right. Which brings me in it, and now we in the studio wilding out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because I felt like my issue. I don't really deal well with men that follow up with females because you're not a female. So you going back and forth with females. We got to get Kai up here because I got a lot of things to say to him. But Cash.
Did y'all hold on? Can I ask a question? Did y'all feel that was right? How Kim?
I don't feel like it was right how Kim approached it. But with anything, like I tell my friends to handle their men.
No, I mean in the studio when
I was
just making a track with homegirl.
Nah, she want to make more than tracks. She want to take her tracks out.
Fool, you was holding hands.
Was I?
You was holding hands.
I'm saying, I'm just trying to feel the vibe for the track. When you working with, listen, I've worked with plenty artists, plenty female artists, and when you trying to get a vibe.
Shawn, you want to get punched in your face.
His eyes was
something.
First of all, you know how you hold the hand.
You was holding her hands
and you rub the middle of the hand.
Did I?
You was holding
I think so.
What that mean when you rub the middle though?
That means you want to take it down, Chris Brown. You want to take it down.
But I didn't take it down though.
It don't matter. Not yet. But just like she want to lay them tracks down, she wants you to pull them tracks out.
But what I did say, he did say to her, he was like, you know what? It's just about the music thing. He's like, Kim, that's who I want to be with. He did say that to her.
You're taking her. I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen.
I mean, I twirled her hair, but
I'm gonna tell you, you twirling her hair. Did you pay for those bundles too? Because that's the issue. All right. Now here's my whole thing. Kim acting crazy. She is comfort. It's going bad.
But that turned me on when she came in there and
she did.
Definitely.
That probably would have turned me on too.
Pushed me on the wall like, yo, what you doing? I'm like, yo, I'm saying we vibing to the track. And she's
so
like,
guys like crazy. I mean, girls, pretty much.
Yeah.
You got to introduce more of your cast.
Definitely.
Definitely gonna have more.
I want Kai ass up here.
We're gonna just shout out
Kai, let's
Frederick
go
real quick because he's the model.
Yo, for real.
Yes.
Brother man do his thing. He's always on stage doing his thing, representing. We show love to the whole
Cash back here.
Don't fuck with him on the show, but we should.
I
don't rock with him on the show, but you know what I mean. It's full support off the show.
I'm interested in see how Cash and Shawn handle their business.
Then I think you better watch the finale.
Season finale.
I wouldn't hold you. Just the finale, something serious.
Can I be like what you call them, an extra?
Yeah, I'm trying to get into it too.
You can bash though. Like, come on. How you doing?
Because she
bashing me and then she want to be
I just feel like you got to cut a nigga, pull a gun out. It's so cool with me.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? As long as he don't call the cops. Don't go to jail over this nigga.
That's a wonderful
Call the Jakes.
I want Kai.
You want Kai?
Kai.
They requesting Kai.
Kai, your services are requested.
Mr. Preppy looking like Harvard out
he had to pour an extra cup over there.
Kai, you looking like
Diva. All right, we got the 2 takeovers.
She a diva.
Come on, guys.
Shout out to 15 Minutes of Fame. Shout out to y'all, yo. Yes. Absolutely. Here you go, Kai, brother.
Hey, yo, follow me on Facebook, Frederick Ramirez, Instagram, Frederick the Model. Make sure you subscribe, Cold World Web Series.
Hey, yo, I like to throw a little shout out, too. The family of everything clothing, you heard? Y'all gotta see this. FOE Clothing, y'all salute. Y'all go check me out. You know, I'm on the gram. I'm on Twitter. We everywhere with it. You'll see it in the series as well.
Y'all ready?
Facts. Y'all got me. Can
I have some questions.
Uh-oh, Kai, you on the hot seat.
Okay, Cal, whatever.
I gotta scoot down. I'm too tall.
You might just have to because your head is cut off.
You trying to say I got a big head?
Yeah,
You gotta come in.
You know what? You do have it.
You really do.
Thank you.
Diva is cool.
Now, Diva.
Whatever. You know what?
I don't at all think that you and your character is a lot alike. I think
don't.
that you're a good actress.
Yes, that's just the actress.
Well, no, I mean, you can't say that because my character plays the role of what females go through.
That's absolutely
Maybe every
true.
female don't go through everything I've been through, but
Most things.
different parts of it, yeah. And I'm a female.
No, not to say that you're not a female. I'm talking about the situation with you and Kai. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm not saying you right.
That's a never.
Yes, because
Yeah.
I was
That one was a
like,
little
wait
bit
a
too-
yeah, I was like, that was a time. I was like, not over this dude. Like,
Nah.
Really?
But
Really?
we're-
Sexier than
Yes.
that.
I feel like that's a common problem between men and women when they're having a sexual relationship. Because you know when you're having sex with someone, it's bound for feelings to get
Of course.
involved.
Yeah, but don't always get attached like that.
You don't always. That must have been he ate your ass. I just want to know.
Oh,
Diva.
yeah.
He must have
It must have been
Tell
good.
us secrets.
He
He
must
ate
have
it, right?
did something.
He ate it.
Kai, you was eating ass.
Did you eat ass?
Nah, yo, nah, I don't
Did
eat.
you have the ass
It-
taste?
Nah,
You
Just a
you
little
eat
bit?
the
No
booty
ass,
like
yo.
groceries.
No,
Groceries.
he's just a.
Sometimes you got to get the groceries though, but it wasn't that night.
Yo,
Yeah,
you
but-
was really like corny.
How you
for
took
taking
the $20 back?
Like, how you taking $20?
Betty,
Because
Betty.
she
Like, you
didn't
ain't
appreciate me helping her out with
You
a
only gave,
situation.
first of all, you only give her $20. What the fuck?
A week,
$20
though?
for?
You
Yo,
said
you can get a bag of chips. You get some gum.
This
No,
nigga
like-
ain't
Get
got
on the
no money.
train.
He the brokest
Get on
ass
the
character on the show.
You can pay some of
Kai.
your cable bill. What you talk about?
I just want to say this. I'm
20
calling you by
away.
your character name. That's who you are right now. I just want to say you play this character very well.
Too well.
I am really wondering because we know you. I know you from Yak Radio. I met you through Lady M, right?
Right.
Damn, you just like, you made me late.
I just that's your friend, like you,
Yeah, go back.
right. So my whole thing is right.
12 years?
How much of this character is actually you? Because you play it very, very well.
Yes, you play this character.
If you know-
Can we get that
very
percentage?
well.
Yeah, because
Nah,
it's
listen,
This
listen,
character
listen.
very well. This
Can
is
we get
so
that
good.
percentage?
I would say probably like 50%, but I
you
really.
take it back $20.
I mean, nah, I wouldn't do that. I'm no Indian giver,
Well,
but I'm
you know
just.
what?
I hope
He
not.
said he's no Indian girl.
You'll spend money, but you ain't taking money.
How you know that,
Nah,
lady?
nah,
Shit
man,
gets shit gets hairy.
I ain't taking no money back, man.
No.
That's crazy.
Nah, I'm like 50%. Like, I mean, I really had to like study being an asshole, like an extra asshole.
Study that?
Yeah, I kind of had to.
How if he's that's what I'm saying. It was so believable. I had to stop it one day because I'm like, yo, I really feel like punching this nigga
Yes.
like
Damn,
that.
really?
Yeah, but
Yes.
that means I'm watching a good show.
I'm just an innocent soul.
I am.
I'm just an innocent soul, yo.
He's just an innocent soul. That's his shit.
That shit. So you,
Before I start spazzing, I'm just an innocent soul.
I'm just
so
an
what?
innocent soul, yo.
You don't think that Kim should actually feel away for what you did to her friend?
Kim should love me, man, because I be keeping her. I be keeping her friend out of trouble, man. I want nothing but the best for Shawn. Like I want him to put out an album. I
Not
want him
Shawn.
to.
I'm talking about Diva.
Oh, Tasha,
Yeah.
Diva. Listen, man. Diva know what it was.
Yeah, but you know,
Behind
it seemed like
closed
you
doors.
had the problem because you walked up on her while she's trying to order her turkey wings and shit.
I know, like that was crazy.
You don't
He
play.
was mad or no?
Shout out
You
to
were
Rell.
mad.
Listen, yo. She
was
didn't
mad?
she didn't have to get with my boy. That's what I'm saying. She didn't have to do that.
She knew that was your man.
Moved
You
on.
don't get a nigga back.
Well,
like that.
another
know
man's
that.
garbage is another man's treasure, baby.
Listen, man.
Shit.
And you saw her while you
It's
was sitting up there
gold
splitting
in
the
And
the
bill.
who was your man? You was
Diva.
about to fight him in the studio.
Diva know ain't nobody like me. She know that.
Whatever.
Ain't nobody like
Moved on,
Kyrie.
had somebody, but you know what?
Here's why I didn't get the young lady that you were with. She sat there while all that went down.
She's a pussy.
First of all, I would have took your food, Kai, threw it in the street and bounced like nobody eating.
Like, she didn't even say nothing to me, and I was popping mad shit.
But
Yeah,
I'm
but
gonna
what,
give it-
I would have
She
been mad
ain't,
that my
yo.
man approached you.
But
I
then
would have been
again,
mad
Yeah,
at
like,
him.
why he over here though, right?
But what I want to get into, like, Natasha. When you was at old boy house, let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you something.
And I just want to add to that.
I'm going to say.
Tasha had that snapback.
I'm going to see you making my drink. I am not going to be like, the refrigerator was like, right.
First of all, I do things. I go in your cabinet and your refrigerator.
Yes.
I want to see if there's feminine products. We in the room. Give me a tour.
Yes.
But the refrigerator was right across from the couch.
And then he sat up there, and I'm like, yo, you corny for that, son. Like, and I'm like, and she's like, oh, when she pulled that Ciroc out, she was like,
yeah, you should have stuck with that Ciroc.
Yes.
Right?
I thought she was.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I thought she was. I'm like, okay, she just going to drink
Not a
that.
coquito was mad sweet, so I needed a little vibe. Substance.
I thought that was actually an awesome topic because people do, if anyone out there don't know what we're talking about, people do deal with being raped. It could be date raped or anything, and sometimes they don't even come forward to tell anyone.
Exactly.
Right.
You know what I mean? So I thought it was dope because maybe another woman would see it and feel comfortable to come forward. Right. So I do like the topics that you guys are actually touching.
Yeah.
Yo, listen.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna keep it real. When I was editing that scene, I got kind of emotional with that. I was
Everybody
like,
was
jeez. I was like, this is kind of crazy.
It was like, sis,
and by the way, let me just say something.
Shout out to my guy Pook.
But let me just say something. He is the editor. He
is
the editor.
And the cameraman.
Wow.
And the cameraman, if it's either me or him, no one else. There's people that's trying to take credit for our shit.
Frauds.
Yeah.
Harvey, we don't know you.
We know who he is now.
We do?
Don't even know. We know.
Right,
who
we
he
not
is.
gonna entertain
I'm not giving him the
Listen.
credit, but I just want to
Don't
I just want to let it be known that it's him that's the editor.
That's right.
Okay.
Listen, let me tell y'all a quick story real quick.
Tell us, Kai.
I've been hitting Brownie up. She didn't know who I was.
I really, yeah.
She turned me down like 3 times. And I'm like, Brownie, yo, I'm a good videographer. I'm a good editor.
Oh, he is. He's dope.
But
She
you
didn't
have
know.
to understand because there was a lot of people hitting my inbox at the time, and at that time I had someone else supposed to be working on a project with me.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, people were saying, oh, I love the project. How do I get in it? So I was just like kindly responding back or acknowledging them. But
That's
it wasn't
what you was doing to me when I said I was coming down the cast. Like, bitch, you ain't gonna really get the role.
I'm
out of here. I'm only messing with you.
Whenever you ready. Whenever you ready.
What happened to our shoot? We supposed to
First of all, we talking about
the camera
the thing. Let him explain.
Yeah,
Dang.
yeah,
I'm sorry.
You gotta bring her back sometime. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, go on.
He that got you sweating.
It's hot in
Go
here.
ahead, go ahead, Brownie.
It's liquor. I got the sweat on. College
Y'all
kid.
still going? Y'all still going? This is what happens when you let children do what they want to do. You know what I mean?
No, go ahead.
Okay. Go ahead, Brownie. So he's the editor.
He's the editor.
Yeah.
He's the cameraman. It's me and him that work together as a team. And I just want that to be known. And it's all in the credits, too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You give credit where credit's due. But, where I lack at, he helps me because I can't do it myself.
Vice versa.
You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to put that out there
Teamwork.
because he's not just only everybody just knows him for the $20 guy and being an asshole. But
he got to be the
that.
best character on the show because he's not saying everyone is not
Thank you.
believable. He is like 100. 200
you are,
times
you
believable.
You like 300.
Everybody hates the bad
guy.
guy. Everybody hates the bad guy, but love the bad guy at the same
Right.
time.
I've been getting comments like they love me,
It's
but
mixed
they hate me, but love me. Like,
It'd be mad funny though.
Nah, that $20 shit. Like,
Nobody would get off of that. Like,
Well-
I'm sick of it.
well, Diva, I love you.
I love you.
Thank you.
And I want you to.
Kai.
But then again, I thought you was serious about the new boo. I thought the new boo really felt you, and then you mess with this nigga for 3 months.
She can't get over me.
You know how it be.
You about a woman bash. You a woman basher, lady.
I'm not a woman basher. I am for that.
Listen,
because I believe bus stops.
first of all, you gotta remember that.
That's right. They run like buses. And
Listen, when you
these
first
niggas.
talking to a guy, you don't know how serious it's gonna get. You gotta have your options open.
Yeah, you do.
You know what I'm saying?
Because they had their options
exactly.
open too. But see, they like I always say, guys can dish it out, but they can't take
Oh
it.
hell no! You see how
Because he
niggas
evidently
was?
could. You almost. He
Sneak it up
almost.
on me.
He almost
Well, I
lost
was
his
gonna
first.
rich shit.
Yes, and he was with
Oh, whatever.
Shorty, and he flipped
No,
out.
I think Shorty was very dumb in the situation. I'm sorry, because I just don't tolerate certain things. Why you talking to this bitch? First of all, now you ain't gonna have no food.
Nope.
That's it. I'm throwing your food in the garbage.
Cause you
She's
talking
a
better
petty
be happy.
daddy.
Yup.
and you
He
getting
went and ate
upset.
nothing.
And you getting upset.
That's how I would have. You know, you just that was the wrong. Was you on a date? Because you telling her to order.
He was on a
anything.
date sharing a plate.
That's right.
You shared a plate.
Nigga, you ain't taking actually on a date sharing. Now, let me tell you something.
I'm thinking for the future, so you can save money together, economical.
Yo, you're not taking me on a date.
Niggas is sharing a turkey wing and one leaf of collard green.
I'll let you live for a minute. I'll let you get two sides. You know what I'm saying? Let you get meat too. Okay. What you mean?
So what we're gonna do? We're gonna have some more cast members coming.
Yes.
So we can have to rotate them. Diva and Kai, was awesome having you here.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
So who's next?
Bye, guys. Let's get
Candace.
And let's get Toya.
So let's do 3.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
And we got to get the officer.
All of that going.
What about the officer?
Y'all look me up. First of all, subscribe to Cold World Web Series on YouTube.
Absolutely.
Look us up, Brownie Baby.
He's loyal.
Look up Dattio. Look up everybody. Just go to the Cold World website, coldworldnyc.com. Look us up, Dattio.com. I mean, it's everywhere. Google us. Everything will pop up. Binge watch the whole series. It's amazing. Wait till y'all see this finale April 4th. Yeah. We ain't even playing, yo. We don't look like no other web series, yo.
They're mad at us because we pushing it back, but we need perfection.
It's all good.
There's a lot that I need to put in. We need to put in it.
Well, I need a cameo.
And we're still filming. So I mean, you guys are around.
I want to be in, but I don't want to be one of the characters that
can we get some more people in? Okay.
Come ladies. Y'all could be the ladies that reel her back in because she's kind of going other places. I think you'll love that.
Yes, I love that. Yes.
But you can't be bashing Diva, right?
No. I'm reeling her back in. I'm bringing her in the rings. I'm about to tell her.
You bringing me back and you bringing me in the ring. Hold
on. You done start some shit.
Subscribe.
Shout out because Vino the most. He's about to check it out and he told me to give him the duck lip, so I gave him
Thank you.
twice.
Can you guys
with the red lips? But shout out.
Yes. Subscribe, y'all. Hope y'all love it.
Let's go.
Okay,
Natasha
well we got
_Mac on Instagram. Follow.
And I gotta follow you. Yeah, I gotta get on style.
Absolutely. Thank you guys.
Thank you. We bringing a tramp on now.
Oh, world, baby. Whoa. Don't talk about my boo like that. Don't talk about my boo like that.
That's your boo.
This my ride or die right here.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. That's my ride or die.
He's prostituting you.
He's prostituting you.
He's not prostituting.
Pass the mic over.
Okay, so
come on.
I can pass.
Right? Yeah.
I am so passionate
they can pass the
when
mic.
it comes here.
Get on off.
I don't know what's going on in this studio, but it's crazy.
Yeah. Okay. You give my cast turns up. Yeah. Guys.
Y'all about to get out. All right. I'm putting you in the closet. Diva can stay because you're acting up. All right. I'm only messing with y'all.
Yeah. Come on.
15.
And so.
Oh, her butt? That's like that's 2 people right there.
No, you won't be able to see him.
No, can you come?
You want to sit?
Can you come? You want to sit too? So we are back. This is Lady N with the cast of Cold World web series. We are back. Shane B.
I'm still here.
Shane B is still here, but we back with the cast. We brought some more cast on.
Yes, this is a pretty large cast with some dope and talented people.
Facts.
So
thank you.
Let's start here.
What we saw? Introduce yourself.
Kaydence, a.k.a. Candace.
The Tramp.
Laquana, a.k.a. Toya. Excuse my raspiness, my little rolls. Excuse it. I'm a little sexy. I'm a little romantic.
She should have popped off on her.
I'm Fresh, a.k.a. Ty.
We had to fight him to get up here.
Yes.
I don't like when men don't listen.
Thank you. No.
And then we have
Dante, a.k.a. Captain Mike.
Yes.
Can't trust him.
Captain here.
The captain.
Can't trust him.
He has been the quietest cast member
and that's
here.
the sneaky one.
Exactly.
That's
glad you caught on.
Selling drugs on the low on the show. Like what you doing? You're a crooked cop. What's going on?
That's the one you don't treat.
No, I'm just having an affair with one of my subordinates.
Yes.
Affair. So when you say affair, are you married or
something?
Yes,
he is. He's married and he's cheating.
No.
Resume.
So that coochie must be good then. That's what it is.
Oh. I'm not going to say much about that one.
Vagina, if you have good vagina, you know what I mean?
Shout out to all the good vagina in the world.
Come on, let's keep.
Yes. Damn. You said for all the good. You had all the good for JJ's.
I mean, my cast was getting it in though. You
They did. Yeah, they
Yeah,
were.
you had a lot of steamy.
A lot of steamy scenes.
Okay.
A lot.
You have a lot in steamy love scenes. It's like soft porn.
I'm a pervert in this show.
Yeah, because you had one scene where your legs was cocked open like in this, like yes.
I'm very flexible.
Yes.
Are you?
I'm very
Them socks that had her socks on, yes. Shout out.
I am telling you, honey. What do you call that move?
I don't know.
That's
the V. That's called the V neck because the V right here you getting a neck.
Yes, because she was getting that neck.
So we're gonna see a sex scene with the captain.
We gotta throw him in
Resume.
because he's a model too.
Sounds
so
juicy.
You gotta see all of that.
Yes.
I gotta see this scene, especially seeing him today. I gotta see you putting that work.
Yes, putting that work.
Maybe you will.
Maybe. He said maybe you will. He the silent killer. But there is, I thought that was dope. There's a lot of sex scenes. It was believable. That's what I liked about it. You know what I mean?
It went down.
Any form of, soft porn, I'm cool with it. Porn, you know what I mean?
It's a lot of that.
Hard. Oh, really? So I'm going to see some nipples. Is that what you're telling me?
Not on YouTube. Not on YouTube. Not on YouTube.
No. I know not on YouTube. So, you're gunning for Shawn on the show.
Well, apparently her main dude, this is supposed to be love. How your main dude love you and wants you? He prostituting you, making you seem like a whore. Like, come on.
Not doing it for me.
No, you're not. He's whoring you because he turned you down the first time.
How did he turn me down though? I mean, in the studio, he was holding on my hand and flirting.
He said to you in the studio. He said to you specifically in the studio. He got his shorty. It's about music and it's not going down like that.
Oh, Shawn.
If he was, rubbing, I knew he rubbed.
They were holding hands though. They were.
Yeah, I mean, at first, if you really paid attention to the series, you would see that I actually met Shawn first. And at the beginning, so at the end of the day, yes, I did make an impression, but it's just that he had history with Brownie, so therefore he chose what he chose. But let me just say this, at the end of the day, there's a lot of females that go through the same thing where you meet a dude and you're into him, he's into you, but then maybe something from the past comes back, and at the end of the day. That's what they go to, but it's all about
shut the past down.
I'm just saying. I mean, at the end of the day,
chemistry.
Yeah, you can't deny the chemistry, and at the end of the day, she had she's the ride or die. But at the same time, you have to understand my feelings are also into it. So you have to look at it like that too. I met him. And we were dealing with each other before I knew about her, and so therefore, yeah.
Nice song.
We made a nice song. We vibed, and I was, pretty young thing, come show me. I'm really, really feeling your chemistry. I wanna be with you, but something real with you tonight. Oh, freak me like you really, really want it, babe.
Wow, that was
it was right on cue. For all I thought. Yes.
So did he freak you then?
He didn't get to freak me, unfortunately. I can cook.
My Dre is awesome. He's on the market. I got you, Dre.
No, I'm okay.
Shout out
I'm
Dre.
no, I'm still taking. I'm still taking.
She's booked to capacity.
Sorry. I'm loyal.
I wrote that for her. I wrote that.
I did it. You sound like you can actually sing that.
No.
Okay.
I wouldn't even lie.
I'm
just cute. I know my place in life.
But no.
I take pictures and
when you
I am funny.
The thing is that I didn't like, you
what
have your cousin who's supposed to have loyalty to your cousin.
Right.
The baby mother, the dude that she's screwing.
Right.
Saying that she's still going, I'm a friend her, to fuck him.
Right.
You just sat there, just was quiet.
I was sitting there quiet. I don't remember that. I had a conversation with baby mamas and said she was mad, is what I said. She's petty. part of petty production is really what is going on. So you want to say it. I'm not sure.
She definitely had to talk.
I'm not saying.
Also, too, I believe sometimes you gotta let a bitch bury herself. If that's what you're going to do,
and she's no longer here.
Shit.
She's no. It ain't easy. It ain't easy.
Because people gonna do what they want.
It definitely ain't easy.
I'm still here though. You're still a cousin, so.
People are gonna do what they want to do. She wanna do
that.
We lit. You gonna let them bury themselves.
That's so true.
Right. I was a good cousin. Don't even try me. Ooh, I see you trying it. I'm a good cousin.
I don't think you make it.
I be riding.
How
you trying?
I think what's gonna happen if we do get a cameo, they're gonna kill you.
Yeah, they're gonna try to take me out. They're gonna try to take me out. They're gonna be like, yo, we gonna take her out. We gonna take her out.
You're dead to me. Toya has
Captain
killed
is
you.
going to investigate your murder, and nothing's gonna get done because he's too busy getting
screwing his
No.
Screwing his subordinate.
No, actually,
Detective.
that's not actually true. I'm actually making sure that she does her job.
How? On her back?
No.
Hey.
No.
Some great work is done that way. Hello.
Shade.
There's a professional time and then there's a personal time, and we distinct that.
You have to tell her being that she's an officer. Yeah. She has to suck a dick and save a life.
I mean,
so she's not doing that, Captain.
Wow.
You know what I mean? She got to suck a dick.
Wow.
You
dick
save her life.
Wow.
Suck a dick, save a life.
Oh my God. Toya approves. I approve this message. I approve this message.
You know
she
what I
said
mean?
suck
That's
a
the
dick
way
to
she
save a
gets
life.
right.
Yes. Save a life.
Wow. With her mouth full. Wow.
For 0 cents a day, you can save a life.
Yes, you can.
I like it.
I like it. For 5 cents a day, you can save a life. Suck a dick, save a life.
Save a life, y'all. Save a life.
I don't want to hear the little girls talk about myself. I don't want to hear girls talk about myself. I don't do that. Then the next bitch is gonna do it.
Facts. Get in there. Get nasty.
Let them die.
Captain is like, this is
Let them die. Let them die.
I said little girls saying that. I didn't
thank
say
you.
I said that.
How
I
much
said girls.
How much of your
Don't save a
personality
life.
is into being the captain?
Oh wait, we got a question. We got a question.
Yeah.
No, you're not in it.
You know, let me just ask Captain this question, then I got you.
Yes.
How much of you is actually in the character of the captain? Because here you seem very mellow.
Yeah, you really mellow, quiet.
We don't trust him.
We
don't trust him at all.
Yes. And a lot of me goes into the character because I'm used to being an authoritative figure.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And
Resume.
Yeah.
Resume.
Don't pay no attention when she says that.
That's an any. That's an any other cast. It's any. It's an any.
That word will come up to you later on.
Just remember, #resume.
I'm just gonna hashtag it. He made me want to harass him the whole time he was here because he was so quiet.
Yes, he's really quiet.
You make people want to ball. You should just talk right away. People won't ball you.
He's so quiet.
He's very quiet.
I use
That's his
like
personality.
when I say quiet, I usually listen to other people saying. So I have my thoughts together and make sure that I observe everything first.
You observe it. You're very observant. You very.
So what have you observed about us since you're very
Oh well, you have a bubbly personality.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
How pleasant of that.
Just like this one.
I have a bubbly
It's not about
personality. I have a bubbly
We're alike.
personality.
All three of us.
I'm
We're
very
bubbles.
bubbly.
Yes.
Angel with 3 halos.
#LQ
So what's your
Diva.
question, Cash?
What's your question, Cash?
Quickly.
Never mind, CJ.
Never mind, CJ.
Next.
Well,
Let's
Eating
go
too
back.
many tacos. It'd be
come on,
like
we
that.
limited on time.
We limited.
We got
Yeah,
1 minute. We got 1 minute for this question.
Well, wait. We gotta say the social media.
You can follow me at LQ Diva, LQ on the move. Check me out on YouTube.
Nobody can ask
me off air.
I won't.
Social media sites.
I'm booked.
Go ahead. You guys say your social media.
Say your social media sites.
Candace at about_DAT_LYFE101.
That's a lot. You can just follow me at LQ Diva or LQ on the move. You can follow me at Laquana.com as well. Thank you. LAQUANA. I should. I'm thinking about
Throwing the
it.
shade though.
It's a question.
Real live shade, baby girl.
I'll work
Yes.
I do what I can.
And
Okay, and you can follow me on Facebook at Dante PA, and on Instagram it's Dante the Gentleman.
And you can follow Cold World on IG at Cold World Web Series, one word. Facebook is Cold World Web Series. Then you have me, Brownie Baby, BrownieBabiiblogs on Instagram, I'm most active there. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube, Cold World Web Series. I see a lot of you guys saying you're going to tune in. I appreciate the love. Please go watch. And also visit coldworldnyc.com.
Boom.
Also, don't forget our Twitter, www.coldworldnyc for Twitter.
Right. Thank you.
We out here.
Where I lack, we would like to
Teamwork make the dream work, baby.
Yes, Cold World.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you for having
Yeah,
us.
baby. You need us back every week. Put that out there. Boom.
I come serenade y'all and all that.
Talk to me. Check my
I will
schedule.
serenade y'all.
We need
You wanna
to come to you guys.
talk to
Yes,
me? I'm
we need to
available.
come to you guys.
I'm available.
And
Come
then,
to the trap house.
and
We're going to have a meet and greet.
say the meet and greet.
Yeah. Well, we didn't set the date. We're going to have the meet and greet.
Soon
also
come.
do blogs
Soon
and
come.
stuff.
Where
We're
you
gonna
come
have a lot of
from?
behind the scenes stuff.
Where you come
Yes. So then you can always follow me, Lady M_RS.
And you can follow me at The Real Shane B on IG.
Room Service Radio.
We out.
from? Bro.
We out. Thanks.
Cold World, bundle up, baby.
CWWS, baby.
So they're on point.
I can't.
The Big Apple, you know we rotten to the core. New York City soldier, these streets is like war. We hustle for $1, my dime was never poor. New York, the Big Apple, but we rotten to the core. The Big Apple, you know we rotten to the core. New York City soldier, these streets is like war. We hustle for $1, my dime was never poor. New York, the Big Apple, but we rotten to the core. Yo, I was born in the city of Queens, city of dreams, team supreme, the John Gotti regime. Building lobbies, we scheme on coke fiends, cream, rotten apple, the greedy city. I thug pretty, so fuck with me. Buck 50s, crooked cops and crack babies. Talk shit to get rich, we pitch bricks. Push toys like Chris Smith, so peak game. I've seen things from street kings, reach dreams. 50 shots in parking lots, I've seen dudes get demolished from pulling wallets on guess who. Get rich or die trying, or die lying in a puddle of blood. That's the rotten apple love, we thug by choice. Because our people lack voice, respect my square. But politicians don't care, we here, never speak. Yeah, we never weak, you fear me in these streets. This rotten apple is deep.